What's happening, guys? Hello again and welcome to the next video for Amazon Selling Hustle. In this video, I'm going to talk a little bit about how to come up with top keywords for a product that maybe you found or that you're trying to search for or that you're trying to create for product research. So top keywords are keywords that people would think of when searching for the product. So I always use the example of an exercise ball. In my mind, when I'm searching for that product, I will either call it an exercise ball, or I'll call it a stability ball, or I'll call it a Swiss ball. So I have three of the top keywords that I know that that particular product is known for. And I'm certain that there will be a certain percentage of the population that will call it one of those things. But what I like to do is I like to get up to 5 to 8 keyword combinations for every product that I list on Amazon. How I do that, I have a few tricks up my sleeve that I use to do that. So in this video, we're going to talk about ways where you can creatively come up with product top keyword variations. So let's get right into it. So the first tool I use is Google. Google is great for that. Google, I can just type in a word. Let's use exercise ball. Okay, and let's just hit start. Okay, and right away you get top paid listings and advertisings for exercise balls. From here, I can then just look at the different listings to see if there's any variation of the name prefacing ball. So I'm looking at Peer Athletics Exercise Ball, that's a brand. So right here I get exercise and stability. So stability ball, exercise ball. Okay, we'll keep going. Okay, toning ball, Pilates ball, yoga ball. Okay, all variations. And obviously keywords rank from the best, kind of like a hashtag does in Instagram. Some have 21 million usages, whereas something similar may only have 20,000, or something exact may only have, 1,000 or 500 people who use it. Okay, so the broader it is, the more it's going to reach. Again, broad, exercise ball, really broad. It's going to reach a lot of people. Something shorter, like Pilates ball, may not reach it, or Pilates and yoga ball is going to reach a very short audience. So that's the first way I like to search for other kinds of top keywords. So what I usually do is I'll go into my Google. I'll open my Google Docs and quickly just pull up a sheet, and I am going to give my top keywords. So I might just number them, go one exercise ball. I think that's the number one. 2, I'm going to put stability ball. 3, I'm going to put Swiss ball. 4, I'm going to put yoga ball. I don't know if that's the product. 5, I'm going to put Pilates ball. Did I get any more out of this first one? Swiss yoga, sports ball. Sports might be it, but that's probably going to bring up soccer balls and basketballs, so I don't really want that. The cost to advertise in there might be astronomical, but it's not, you got to eliminate words that are not related. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to use is I'm going to use a thesaurus. So I'm going to go to thesaurus.com, and I'm going to use synonyms for maybe 3 or 4 of my top ones. First one, I'm going to use a synonym for exercise. C-I-S-E, exercise. So give me some synonyms for exercise. So we got activity ball, drill ball, examination, lesson, movement, performance, problem, study, task, training ball, workout ball. So a workout ball, maybe. Okay, that might be one variation Okay, so I have 7 variations so far, and then workout ball, or no, that's already in there. So gym ball is in there. Okay, so now I will take a second word, stability. Let me put in the word stability. Okay, is there strength, balance ball, a balance ball? People might search balance ball. So this is a great way to come up with words that you're going to use down the road when you do your PPC campaign. Also words to help you search and do product research with. Strength ball, firmness, immobility, backbone, consistency, strength. Okay, none of those. So now let's take the next one, Swiss. Is there a variation for Swiss? Wise. Sissy ball. No. Okay. Swiss, yoga, Pilates, workout. Let's do a variation on ball. Jump, hop, mingle. There's more down here. It's related to ball, buckshot. So you can just look through these words, see if anyone else is related. I mean, now I've already found 8, so I'm kind of happy with the list that I have. Syndig, promenade, hop. So that's really about it. I mean, there's not going to really be a variation to ball. Balance ball. Let's look at the word balance. Equity, harmony, tension, counterbalance. Okay, I think we're good. I think that we're good there. So we've been able to come up with 8 words that now I have a good kind of strong keyword base with words that, you know, at the end of the day are going to bring up stability balls and exercise balls as well. So now my goal is to rank in the first spot for all these keyword combinations. That's my goal. So when I'm buying a product and when I'm sourcing a product and when I decide on a product, I want to take that product, and when I take it live and I build the listing for that product, I want to be able to rank in the first page, hopefully in that first spot for all of these top keywords. All right, guys, I will see you in the next video.